Hi all, welcome back again. Today let's prepare a easy mini banana bread pudding. This is very easy to prepare and tasty to have. So without further delay, let's get started. Check out the ingredients. For this, we need 6 slices of bread. You can either take milk bread or sandwich bread. So now let's chop this bread well. Make as thin as possible. Now let us bake this for 5 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Don't forget to preheat the oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Now let's bake this for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the banana mix. Now in a large bowl, take 3 large ripe bananas. Mash it well by using fork. Do use the ripe banana or else slight bitterness will remain. Now it's done. Let's add 2 large eggs. Let it be in a room temperature. Add in half a tablespoon of cinnamon powder, 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of heavy cream and 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Now mix it well. Now check the taste. If you need more sweetness, add in a tablespoon of sugar or a tablespoon of condensed milk. Then mix it well till the sugar dissolves. Now add the baked bread. Mix it well. Let it combine very well. Now mix it well by using a spoon or spatula. Now goes in half a cup of chocolate chips. Mix it thoroughly. As we are preparing the mini banana pudding, let's bake this in a cupcake mold. Now scoop the pudding mix in a cupcake mold and let us bake this for 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Keep it in the middle portion. Now bake it for 20 minutes. Now it's been 20 minutes. Let's check the pudding is baked or not. Insert a toothpick. If it comes clean, then it's done. Allow it to cool for 5 minutes. Now our pudding is ready to serve. Serve it as it is, or you can serve drizzling some chocolate sauce or with your favorite cream. So do try and do put your comments below. See you soon with more simple, easy peasy recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.